If you're wondering whether to stick with Microsoft Word or switch to a free Office app, this video will help you understand the pros and cons of each in 2025. Both options let you create documents, but they serve different needs, and knowing the differences can help you save time and money. Stick around until the end, and if this helps, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Microsoft Word is the industry standard and comes packed with advanced features. From templates, styles, and advanced formatting to collaboration tools, track changes, and integration with Microsoft 365, Word is built for professional, academic, and business use. It works both offline and online, offers strong compatibility with virtually any document format, and is trusted worldwide. The main trade-off is cost, since Microsoft 365 requires a subscription, and its many features can feel overwhelming for casual users. Free Office apps like Google Docs, LibreOffice Writer, WPS Office, and Zoho Writer provide solid alternatives for users who want to avoid subscription costs. Google Docs excels at cloud-based collaboration, letting multiple people edit in real time with automatic saving and easy sharing. LibreOffice Writer is a full-featured offline tool that supports complex formatting and document layouts for free. WPS Office offers a familiar interface similar to Word and comes with a library of templates, while Zoho Writer provides cloud-based writing with collaboration tools and some smart editing features. The choice depends on your workflow. If you need advanced formatting, professional-grade tools, offline access, or widespread compatibility, Microsoft Word is still the best choice. But if you prioritize cost efficiency, collaboration, or lightweight tools, free Office apps can handle most everyday document tasks without compromising functionality. Many users even combine both, drafting and collaborating in a free Office app like Google Docs or Zoho Writer, then finalizing documents in Word for a polished finish. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity and tech tips. Thanks for watching.